Are you tired of losing important files, precious photos, or essential documents due to unexpected mishaps? Whether it's accidental deletion, a system crash, or a sudden power outage, data loss can feel devastating. But what if I told you there's a reliable solution at your fingertips? Meet Wondershare Recover It, the powerful recovery software designed to bring back your lost data with ease. Recover It is trusted by millions worldwide to retrieve data from virtually any storage device. Using Recover It is simple. With an intuitive interface, it takes just a few steps to recover your files, whether they're on a PC, Mac, USB drive, or even a crashed computer. Let's walk through how it works. Recover It boasts a recovery success rate of up to 99.5%, which is higher than most data recovery tools on the market. Recover It can completely recover deleted files, videos, photos, other 1,000 plus file formats from 2,000 plus storage devices, including SD cards, HDDs, external devices, crashed computers, Windows, Mac, NAS, and Linux, etc. Corrupted video repair and photo repair are also supported. Now let's jump into a quick tutorial on how to use Recover It to recover lost files. I'll show you just how easy it is to bring back your precious data. Once you open Recover It, you'll be greeted with a clean and simple interface. At the top, you'll find options to recover files from hard drives, external drives, or even from the disk image, desktop, select folder and recycle bin. On the left side, you can choose more specific recovery options, like recovering data directly from your SD card, enhanced recovery your lost video and photo from all devices such as Canon, Sony, Seagate, SD card, etc. Issues like videos not loading, stuttering or displaying errors can result from file-saving errors, interrupted transfers, or virus interference. You can use the corrupted video repair option to fix these problems. If your system crashes and you're unable to recover important files, Wondershare Recover It offers a solution. Simply use the System Crash option to restore lost data from your crashed system, ensuring you don't lose crucial files. Now let's jump into a quick demo. I've intentionally deleted files from my USB drive, photos, videos, audio, and documents. As you can see, they're gone. But don't worry. With Wondershare Recover It, we can restore them in just a few steps. First, select the external drive option. Choose your USB drive, and the program will start scanning the device. You'll see a progress bar showing the scan percentage and total file count. During the scan, if you spot the files you need, you can pause or stop the scan early to speed up the process. The recovery progress is displayed in real time, allowing you to preview files as they're found. Whether it's a photo, video, or document, you can confirm it's the right file before recovery. Once you've found the data you want to recover, simply select it, click Recover, and choose where to save it. Just remember not to save the recovered files to the same location to avoid overwriting. After recovery, the files are restored with the same quality as before deletion. Wondershare Recover It is one of the most reliable data recovery solutions on the market, with support for over 1,000 file formats. It offers advanced features like smart scanning, real-time preview, and file renaming. It's perfect for recovering data from SD cards, USB drives, external hard drives, and more. So if you're looking for a reliable way to recover lost files, Wondershare Recover It could be a solid choice. It's user-friendly, effective, and packed with powerful features that make data recovery a breeze. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to TheTech for more tech tips and software reviews. And if you have any questions about Recover It or data recovery in general, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.